So we have our albums module now. Let's add our albums component for that module. And let's just start out with a component that's kind of the main list of all albums available. That's where I'm going to start, not with the dashboard, but I just want a list of all my beautiful albums available for my family, right? So we're going to make an albums list right here. Now, how do we do that? Well, we need to do an ng generate or g and then a component, because now it's not actually an actual module we're going to build. Is going to be an actual component that we want to build for this albums module right here. So we're going to try and do that. Now we want to put that inside the customer dashboard, in our case the albums, and then slash, and then it's going to be called just albums list right here. So let's try and do that and generate that component. So again, I go in here, I'm still at the 11th checkout. I go in here and I do ng, G for generate, C for component, right? So ng generate component, and then I put in the name of the actual folder, front slash, and in my case it's going to be in the albums slash, and in the albums folder I want to create a new component that I want to call albums list. That's just going to list all my available albums. I'll press enter, it'll generate the component for me, and notice the namings change. It's not going to make an uppercase like this. It's going to make it album list lowercase like this automatically. It's also going to add 4 different files for me automatically right here, and they are the files that we need to create and work with this component. So if I open the albums folder now, you'll see a new albums list popping up right here, and here are all the folder files available, so we can start working with the albums list now. One more thing it did is it actually added the albums list component as a declaration inside this module right here, so we can start using it elsewhere. So that's all we had to do. Now we have an albums list component that we can now start putting in, showing our albums later on. But for now it's available at least, and right now just have albums list work as the HTML, and we'll try and work with that in a second when we start working with routing. So see you next time, have fun.